Hey, and today we're going to look at different types of roots of quadratics. So first, recall a quadratic expression is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And we have three types of roots. So we have two roots, one root, and no real root. So first, for two roots, this is when b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now to visualize this, let's draw it on the graph. So the type of quadratic equation will look something like this. And what are the roots? Well, the roots are basically the points which lie on the x-axis. So here and here, these are our two real roots. Okay, let's undo this and let's look at the second one now. One root. This is when b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. And as you may guess, the quadratic function may look something like this. As you can see, it only touches the x-axis at one point, which is the minimum point of the quadratic function. Okay, let's undo that. And let's look at our third and final type of root of quadratic, and that is no real roots. And as you could probably guess, this is when b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. And how would the graph look? Well, it will look something like this. As you can see here, it doesn't touch the x-axis at any point, therefore it has no real roots. Later on, however, you'll come to understand this actually has imaginary roots, but that's a bit more complicated topic. Anyway, that's it. Quite a simple topic, and thanks for watching.